Hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain here, also back with another weekly tech update. This is a part, or you can say episode 31st of it. You're watching KRS and GRS. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. Let's start off with the Nothing Phone 1. There are some big things which are going around this phone, and kind of say the pricing of this phone has been expected to be around 41,000. As if you didn't know, this one gonna be exclusively coming via through Flipkart, and as per some rumors, this one is going to be announcing next month, which is around in July, or you can say in June. So what are your thoughts about this Nothing Phone 1 and what are your expectations? Let me know in the comment section down below. They have launched a new smart TV series in India known by X80K. It is a smart TV which supports Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision and each and every Dolby type of thing. If I do have to say so about the pricing, this is a 55-inch 95,000 around, which is 95,000. So yeah, if you are looking for a Sony based TV, then you can definitely check this out. WTS, kind of say Russia's biggest mobile operator service provider, and kind of say they are giving 50% off on the smartphones such as Huawei's, Honor's, Xiaomi's, or evenly I have to say so Samsung smartphone for 50% off devices, and this are kind of say due to an inflation thing going on in the Russia. So yeah, it is really awkward type of thing, but 50% off the price is nice. Huawei has launched 4 new laptops, which is in China it is around 81,000. The MateBook 16s. There are 4 laptops: MateBook 16s, 16D14 2020 and 14 2020, which are MateBooks. And if I do have to say so, these are Windows 11 based laptops in China only. Asus, they have launched a monitor with a 500 Hz of display, which is a 24.1 inch of display, and eventually this also contains the eSport vibrance mode for your dedicated esports gaming type of stuff. So yeah, this is really nice. Tenda CP3 security camera. It is a Tenda CP3 security based camera service provider. They have launched in India. It is why I'm telling you, because it got a 1080p camera, AI also, and it is under 3,900 rupees. So yeah, if you are looking for to kind of say secure your house with a security camera, then you can definitely check this Tenda CP3 out. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 edition. It's a really big name, but if I do have to say so, recently it was launched in Italy, and the support page for the India, it was kind of say seen around the website, and there are some few chances, not a few chances, now it is confirmed because support page goes live and that all stuff is going on, then definitely it is going to be coming in India. I'm thinking what is going to be the pricing of this tablet, because you know there are some competitions nowadays going on around in the tablet market. Motorola e32s. This smartphone is going to be launching in India by the May 27th as per some expectations. By the time there are some specifications for the display has been came up, it's going to be having 6.5 inch IPS LCD 90 Hz display. It's gonna be kind of a say under 10,000 budget phone. So yeah, I'm super excited because nowadays Motorola is bringing some good and really price point smartphones. Motorola's flagship Motorola Frontier is coming really soon, and teaser post was been seen around in China, and has got some things going on. It's gonna be having a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 200 megapixel camera sensor, 200 megapixel main camera sensor, and followed by 2 sensors. So I'm excited for this phone because I want to see how the 200 megapixel camera stands out. Motorola Razr 3, aka Motorola Maven, and kind of say hands-on video of this phone was officially released on the internet, and now it might be a testing video, but I'm super excited for this phone because it's been a long since Motorola last released a foldable phone from their side. So yeah, I'm super excited, and as per some rumors, it's going to be having Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. AMD Ryzen 7000 series AMS desktop platform medical budget CPUs announced at Comtech 2022. And as per some things going on with the AMD, they told it that it's going to be a complete different than the usual, or you can say the past desktop processor. So let's see how it wells out and turns out in the public. Canon EOS R7 and EOS R10 and alongside RFS lenses has been launched in India. Those both cameras are the mirrorless cameras, and the specifications are really good of this camera, so you can judge it around with this camera because it has been launched by the Canon, and if I'm adding it, it got some cool stuff also going on. Here I came up with the 3 new processors and the Dimensity series and even in the G series. If I do have to say so, MediaTek Dimensity 1050, MediaTek Dimensity 930, and in the Helio, it is only kind of a 4G based processor on this lineup. In this 3D processors, which is MediaTek Helio G99. 1050, MediaTek Dimensity 1050 gonna be making its way to the market really soon in the third quarter of this year. So I'm excited to see G99 especially because G stands for gaming. If I had to say so about the AMD Ryzen 7000 series, then you need a good motherboard. Then MSI has also launched over the Comtech 2022 known by the MSI X670 motherboards, and these are specifically for that Ryzen 7000 series. So you can grab this one if you are thinking to build your own custom PC with the 7000 series processor. iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. And kind of say these smartphones were one of the most sold from the Apple, followed by 2 Android budget Samsungs. Samsung's A12 and the A32 were also part of this Q1 2022. Many people have shifted to the iPhone 13 lineup, and kind of say it was not expected as per me, but yeah, we got some huge bumps. iPhone 14 is going to be coming, and there were some big rumors that front camera gonna be changing, front camera gonna be having some new stuff. And as per some rumors going on around that the front camera gonna be 3 times costlier than the older front camera, and it's gonna be eventually bigger front camera. And I might be thinking around that notch is gone, then how different it's gonna be standing out in the public. Apple is thinking to boost their productions from the China to India and Vietnam. Now, as per some rumors, they are going to be focusing on the 2 countries only, Vietnam and India, for bringing the smartphones and bringing the cables and each and every thing which they make. So might be think that iPhone 14 series gonna be cheaper in India, iMac lineup gonna be cheaper in India, and every type of that thing. I'm telling some good news for the Apple India, Apple this stuff and that stuff. There's one sad news that the iPhone 14 might be delayed in 2022 because there is a severe lockdown going on in China, and due to that production and that all stuff has been stopped, halted, and many things aren't going to be appear really well. So yeah, it is really sad, but soon lockdown left up and the phone got started in production, and I'm hoping for the best for the iPhone 14 series. 12 Ultra is going to be coming soon, but they have a tie-up with the Leica and followed by different good name companies such as Sharp, Huawei, and eventually Panasonic too. And kind of say Lite has partner. Then why there is going on that Xiaomi has partner for the 12 Ultra? Yeah, I'm confused. Let me know in the comment section down below. And also on the top of it, 12 Ultra, and followed by 2 new smartphones in the 12 series, 12s and 12s Pro. This is gonna be a small sized compact waist smartphone from the Xiaomi into 12 lineup. And followed by 13 is also going to be coming for the December, or you can say early January in 2023. So I don't know why this type of stuff leaks out so earlier, that even 12 Ultra and 12s is going to be coming, then 13 things are going on. Yeah, I confused. Xiaomi K200, this is a NFC building all-in-one printer, and kind of say it has been launched, and you can just one tap it and it will start printing. So yeah, it is nice for the people who are thinking for an upgrade for their old type printers. 13 series lineups IMEI's number has been saw around the internet. And you know what type of processor it's gonna be having? You might be thinking, hey, it's gonna be having Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. No, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. I hadn't heard of this processor. It is not even released yet, and so this is a super future phone. So yeah, IMEI number just listed, so I kind of say in December we're gonna be seeing Snapdragon Gen 2. Yeah, let's hope for the best. E2 is coming, by the way. This is a smartphone listed from the Chinese telecommunication. It's gonna be launching by the June 6th, and also followed by T2X is going to be coming soon, and it's gonna be having Dimensity 1300. And some rumors say that it's gonna be a 4G based phone, but I'm thinking that it's gonna be 5G because of the Dimensity 1300. It's gonna be a budgetified based Vivo T2 series smartphone. For Reno 8 series, the smartphones have been officially launched, and soon gonna be launching in India. But also on the top of it, Oppo Pad Add that's been also launched. You got a decent size of ad. This is Pad Add. Yeah. Keeping that aside, Oppo 8 series got some 8, 8 Pro and 8 Pro Plus. Lite is going to be coming soon because you know Lite comes afterwards. Realme Pad X and afterwards Realme Pad Mini, Realme Pad. This is a 5G based tablet from the Realme. It's gonna be having stylus as per some poster teased on the internet, and it's gonna be having a 5G too, as I told you. I'm super excited for this tablet, and I don't know if it has been launched. By the time of this making the video, it wasn't launched. If you are into anime with the Naruto, then Realme GT Neo 3 has been launched. And eventually, if you are not into Naruto, this looks really nice. If you like the orange color, then the design wise it looks really nice. Oppo 3, the smartphone has been launched with a decent type of new design. I like the design, by the way. And if I do have to say so about the smartphone, it got a 7000 mAh lithium battery, 15 megapixel camera setups, and yeah, it is around 13,000 in converted from the Filipinos. So yeah, accepted phone, decently coming really soon to India as per me. Infinix Hot 12 Play. This smartphone is into a budget phone, 6000 mAh battery. That's the main highlight of the Hot series, the battery itself. And if I do have to say so about the specifications, then it got a decent camera setup, 13 megapixel dual camera setup, and a decent processor to run up your things. So yeah, that's it for today. What do you think about the news and all stuff? And now it is creating some more hype for the Nothing Phone 1 and eventually the iPhone 14 lineup. I'm super excited for the 14 lineup. And what do you think about this Comtech 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, this was Captain Diaz, and if you end up enjoying this video, then straight up like and press the bell icon so you won't be missing any type of this content, and share it with your friends so we got some cool appreciation from that too. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected, peace out.